Hey friends, today we are going to work with a paintbrush and we're going to alter it. I got me one from Dollar Tree, but you can use an old one if you have one so you can save some money. I'm going to take some spackling and put some in random spots to add some texture to my piece. Y'all, these are so fun to do. It's relaxing. You don't have to think too much. It's something that you can really just let your imagination go on. I mean, you can do any holidays, any themes, a shabby chic one with some florals, whatever you want to do. Whatever makes your heart happy. I do end up adding some spackling on my bristles as well to add some texture in there too. We're going to cover that in some Rust-Oleum white chalk paint. I do show you my Jack Skellington one. It's at the end of the video. I made it last year for a contest. Now I'm adding some more spackling because I wanted a lot of texture. This is Antique Aqua chalk paint, and I'm just going to brush that in random spots. And you will see this start to transform and look like it's cotton candy soon. Kind of does now with the spackling, but once that turns white. But we're going to use some pink paint too, so it'll look like cotton candy. A little bit. If you guys decide to do one, please send me some pictures. Now, these stickers came from Dollar Tree. I believe I was given these. I'm not sure. I've had them forever. So I was like, it's time to use them. So I really wanted this to be glamorous. Even though I'm not a glamorous person, I'm like, maybe I can pull this off. I do know that Dollar Tree still sells these. I did see them recently. Now, the other sticker, I didn't want the love piece. And you can separate it from the backing. I don't know how to explain that. See how I'm taking that off? Because those are not actually connected. I just wanted this piece because I really want to put a dragonfly in there. I love dragonflies. I think they're so pretty. So we're just super gluing those on. And then we're going to go over those with some white chalk paint again. Because I didn't want silver. We're using gold with this piece. This is vintage Victorian pink. I love this pink. I got it on Amazon. I can put the link in the description box if you guys want this color. I think it was like $10. But I don't use a lot of it, so it's lasting me a while. So I'm just brushing that on in random spots as well. You just do whatever makes you happy, whatever you think looks good. This is just for inspiration, okay? Now we're taking some metallic gold, and we're going to brush over those pieces and in random spots on the brush and bristles. You guys will have to let me know in comments what you might want to create with a paintbrush. What do you want to make? And also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it, because that really helps my channel. And I appreciate it so much. One day I'd like to try that. I think it's called like Rub and Buff. I think you can get like gold and silver. So I might try that one day. But this worked out really well. Y'all, I'm struggling to talk as usual, so bear with me. I'm also in my bathroom today doing my voiceover, so if you hear any noise, that's why. Trying to give my husband a break from helping me today. So this is Harvest Gold Rust-Oleum wall glitter that I've used before. I got it from Menards. But if you don't have Menards, check your Lowe's or Home Depot. It's so fun to work with. There's other colors as well. We're actually going to use the clear one here soon too. And those are the dragonflies I was talking about right there. We're going to super glue that right in the middle of that piece. I did add 2 of the flowers on there, but I didn't like them. It wasn't I don't know, the glamorous look I was going for. So I do end up taking those off. Now that is crushed champagne glitter glass. That was given to me, so I don't know where to buy it. But maybe like Amazon or Temu. I'm sure somebody has it. But I'm just using my Barely Art glue, putting globs on there, and then putting that glass on top. And then kind of pushing it down into the glue. So I'm just putting that all over in like random spots. Wherever I feel like it looks good. And these are flat back pearl beads you can get from, I think it was Amazon. I've had those for a while, but I will see if I can find those if I can. I will also add that link. They're so pretty, y'all. They're like aqua and pink mix. I don't know the word. Is it like chameleon or I don't know the word. They're just really pretty. So I'm just placing them in random spots. And then here are gold butterflies and swirlies. Those came from Dollar Tree too. I've had those for a while also. So I don't know if they're still selling these. I wouldn't see why not, but y'all have to check. I got so many stickers. I was like, it is time to use these. So I figured, why not today? So I'm just placing me some butterflies wherever I think they look good. And I do add a couple of those little swirly pieces on there as well. We're almost done, y'all. Almost done. So there's the little swirlies. We're going to put those on. Like I said, y'all, sky's the limit on how you want yours to look. This will be such a cute gift for somebody too, you know? Make one for a Christmas gift. Now, those are gems I got from Dollar Tree. And they come in different colors. And they're actually really nice. They got like a pointy back to them. So I'm just placing a few of those on there. I wanted like a lot more pop of pink. And this is the iridescent clear glitter from Rust-Oleum. Like I said before, this is made for walls, but man, it worked great on projects. And we're just going to go over our entire brush with that to add a lot more shimmer. A lot more glam, y'all. I really think kids would have so much fun making these. And there we go. Y'all have to let me know what you think. Y'all get to see Jack in a minute. The one I did in the contest last year. Look at that, y'all. So much texture and element and so much for the eye to just, I don't know, fall in love with. And here's Jack that I did. I used puffy paint for his eyes, I think it was. No, that was hot glue. And then I painted it. So we got eyeballs, we got spiders, we got cotton balls to start off the hat. We got a Christmas tree, bats, pumpkins, ghosts, a wreath, spider webbing. I mean, so many things. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one too. And I really appreciate y'all watching today. And I hope you guys have the rest of your week is really good. Thank you. Bye, y'all.